Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Huawei Nova 9 SE. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our app gallery and start searching for an app. Here we want to write Microsoft Edge. And hit on the search button. Now select this app and click on the install button. After the installation process is done, we can open the app. I agree. Here you can sync your other accounts to sync other devices to this browser. I'm not gonna do that, I'm gonna do it later. And from here you can either agree or not agree to this term. I'm gonna agree and press confirm. From here you can also make the Edge browser your default, but to do it just simply press yes and here find browser app and select Edge. Go back and now your Edge browser is ready to be used. It should open any website without any problem and it's default browser. So that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.